the dreams of summer, execute all the world, the sunny day. Oh yeah, I got a nice camera. I love to take the photograph. So mama wants to take my cold away.
It's my
If
movie.
you took all the girls I knew when I was
Puppies are
single
sweating.
and brought them out together
Oh, Sandra, I was going to tell you congratulations on losing, what was it, 9 pounds? You lost 9 pounds. Congratulations.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It felt nice. Well, it feels nice. I want to lose more though.
I go back in September. I'm trying to drop 27 pounds before I go back. We'll see what happens. That's not helping me right now.
Losing weight is not easy, but it's all in moderation.
I know it.
I need to lose like 20 pounds, and I won't do it because I won't give up. I guess I don't really have to give up, but I'm not willing to change my lifestyle.
And that's what it is.
It's all lifestyle change. You can
It's a
still
mind
eat
thing.
the food you like, but it's how much you eat and when you eat. And you gotta drink a ton of water. That's the hard part for me because I can't stand peeing every 10 minutes.
I think I did good one day this week, and that was it. I had my shake for breakfast. I had a coffee that I made at home. I had a shake for lunch, and I ate a decent dinner. That was the only day I did good. The rest of the day I didn't eat till supper.
Yeah,
And they say that's not good either.
Your body goes into starvation mode.
Yeah.
And then by the time you do eat, your body stores it as fat because it doesn't know when it's going to get its next meal.
Right.
You gotta fuel your body just like you fuel your mind when you learn about something, like you're reading a book or studying. You're fueling your mind. You have to think about. You have to fuel your body. It's the same thing.
It's hard.
It is very hard. Extremely hard.
When you-
Why I can't do it. I know what I need to do. I
Right.
know what it takes. I can't do it. I can do it. I choose not to.
Right.
I choose not to put in the effort.